Well, we're back out in the woods. This time, the weather delivered. So I am back out in the same forest. Got about 4 hours left before sunset. So lots of time. To get pitched. So just pushing through brush right now. Trying not to trip as I'm looking at the viewfinder and trying to make a path. Alright, let's have a look. Ignore my sniffling, it's cold again. So currently around -10 with the wind chill. Not too bad. I've got the old Grizzly Adams hat on. Keep my head nice and toasty. Ugh. Yeah, I've never been in this part of the forest before. So let's see what I can find. There's a bit of a hill in front of me. Oh, this looks like a decent spot. See some level ground ahead. Oh yeah, this is great. I'll spin you around and I'll show you the view. Yeah, it's a bit of a decent flat spot right in front of me. Oh, this pond looks better than the last one. Even though it's frozen over, I should be able to get some water out of it. I'll give you a quick pan round of what it looks like. Oh, that's a nice bonus. There was silver birch this time, so I got lots of kindling if I wanted to make a fire. Oh, a cracking location. So I'll bring you back once I got the tent pitched. So the tent's pitched, cracking view, and a water supply for the evening. And I get everything unpacked, put inside the tent, and I'll come outside and do the guy lines as there's not much wind right now. It's supposed to pick up in a few hours' time. So here's the new sleeping bag I was talking about. It's the Canis 0 degree Alaska Down tall sleeping bag. It's great because it came with a big mesh bag for storage and also this perfect little compression sack. I think I'll slip that way. There's a bit of a slope. No matter how much you try and find some even ground, there's always something on there, isn't there? It's not too bad though. I cannot complain. Okay, sleeping bag's out. I think it's really important to get your sleeping bag, especially if it's down, out straight away, just to give it time to loft, because you don't want any cold spots when you're sleeping. I brought my flex tail pump with me. It's just so much quicker than trying to blow up with your mouth, and especially when it's temperatures like this, -10, you don't want cold moist air going into your air mattress. There we go. That was the pillow done. Although I'm not a fan of these inflatable pillows attached to the air mattress. Like I mentioned in my last video, I'm waiting for the One Tigress sleeping mat to come out because that's definitely insulated, so it should be good. So a great feature with this Canis Alaska sleeping bag, it's got this elastic support on the back, so you slip your sleeping pad in and then it stops you from rolling sideways and ended up with the sleeping bag on the cold floor. So that's a really good feature. Very impressed. It's got two pockets, one on the right and one on the left. Two mesh pockets, really deep. So there's the label there with all the details on it. I think I'm going to be a toasty warm man this evening. I brought up my little pillow this time, just another cheapie, but inside the hood it's got another elastic area where you just stuff your pillow in so your head doesn't end up sliding off the mat too. There, look at that. Super toasty. A little look at the vestibule on the Vern 1. Lots and lots of space for cooking, as I don't fancy cooking outside tonight. So there she is, all set up. Well, that was a great night. Everywhere's cleared up. Everything's packed away. Leave no trace. Leave no tent pegs. I'm gonna get my backpack on and then we're off. You saw this forest in the last video. I'm not going to bore you with taking you out on the same path. But what I'll do is I'll just do a few quick shots on the way out just to show the nice winter wonderland. Oh yes, out into the sun. Ooh. Why would somebody leave a boat on a pond that size? That's weird. Let's have a look. It's aluminum or aluminium. It doesn't look like it's been moved in a lot of years. So all the gear worked out well this overnighter. Ugh, my face full of snow. Ugh.